To make this recipe, we'll need half cup milk, 400 grams paneer cut in cubes, 2 green chilies, 1.5 teaspoon fennel powder, 2 teaspoons salt, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon dry ginger powder, 3 bay leaves, a pinch of fenugreek leaves, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1/4 teaspoon garam masala, 3 green cardamom, 2 black cardamom and 2 teaspoon ghee. Heat 2 tablespoon mustard oil in a pot. Once the oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 3 green cardamom, 2 black cardamom and 3 bay leaves. Now saute this for 30 seconds. To this we'll add 1 teaspoon turmeric powder and half teaspoon dry ginger powder and quickly add a dash of water to prevent spices from burning. Once this comes to a boil, we'll add 1.5 teaspoon fennel powder, 2 teaspoons salt, 2 green chilies and mix it together. Now we'll add 1.5 cup water, paneer cubes, and bring this to a boil. Once this comes to a boil, we'll cover and cook on low heat till water reduces to half. Once the water reduces to half, we'll add half cup of milk and let it boil for another 5 to 10 minutes on medium heat. We'll give it a gentle mix and let it simmer for another 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, add 1/4 teaspoon garam masala and give it a gentle mix. We'll temper the paneer as our final step, and this is completely optional. For this, heat 2 teaspoon ghee in a pan, add fenugreek leaves and then mix it into the curry. Now we'll turn our gas off and get ready for plating.